Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Paradigm Shift Tarot. This is Devrupa. I am an astrologer, also a tarot reader. In this channel, we discuss astrology, tarot readings, and all other stuff. So today's reading is about how can you understand your future spouse, whether it's your husband or whether it's your wife. How could you understand from your chart that how they will look like? So I have been uploading a lot of tarot readings, but today I just thought uploading of an astrological reading for you guys. So the first thing that you need is your horoscope. If you don't have your horoscope, if you don't have your natal chart, that is not an issue. You can always just go in Google, type your birth time, date of birth, and you will find over there your chart. So if you are a female, you will see your Jupiter sign. Okay, say if you are if you don't know how to see signs, then I would just suggest in many of the Google sites it is written your Jupiter sign is Taurus or whether your Jupiter sign is Virgo. You'll just have to see the sign where your Jupiter is placed. Okay, if you are a female, and if you're a male, you have to see your Venus sign. So basically where your Venus is placed. So am I making it clear? I guess so, yes. So if you're a male, you have to see your Venus sign, or you could just type like my Jupiter sign or my Venus sign, then give your birth time and then your date of birth, and you will find it over there. Okay, so it's just very simple, and just as soon as you find your Jupiter or Venus sign, we will hop right into the reading. So we will start with the first zodiac sign, that is Aries. So if your Jupiter is in Aries, what are the traits that you or husband or wife gonna have? Let's say if your Jupiter sign or your Venus sign is Aries, so means in your chart your Jupiter, like Brihaspati, okay, if you are watching in Hindi, that's fine. So if it is your Jupiter is or your Venus, okay, your Venus or your Jupiter, wherever is written, okay, and if it is the house of Aries, then let's see what will happen. So one thing that you should remember, your husband or your wife, from your Venus and Jupiter, according to that, your husband or your wife will be very, very energetic. They will just like, exercising. They will be the most, people who, these are the people who will be very supportive. Okay, if you are willing to start something new with them, they will be the first one to come to you and will be like, yes, please, let's start, I want to do it, I have been wanting to do it with you. So the first thing you will see in Aries, they will be a little aggressive, little very sporty. They could be into many sports, they could like sports. Even if it is a female, they could be a little, they could have a little bit of divine male energy. They could love doing sports, playing badmintons or any kind of sports, football, whether it's hockey, whether it is let's say anything, rugby or like basketball, who knows, right? So they will love, the first and foremost thing that you will see, they will love exercising, they will love maintaining their body, and they will be very, very spontaneous. Okay, so let's say if you are a person whose Jupiter is in Aries or whose Venus is in Aries, you will go to your, you will just go to your spouse and you will talk about, let's say, starting a new business, or you will just talk to them about, let's say, starting something new, and they'll be like, yay, of course, we should do it. They will never say we should not do it. But one thing that you will see, that they will find it difficult to finish their tasks. So they could be like persons who are very quick to initiate tasks, but they could not finish later on. So these are the things that is very, very possible with this sign, okay, with Aries, because Aries is more about, impulse. So one thing is for sure, that they will be very, very, very impulsive. They could like just sometimes be taking quick decisions that they will regret later. And another thing is a little bit of tricky. They could be very moody. They could love, they are the people who will love chasing you. So the moment you will just give yourself to them, they could find it little less interesting. So one tricks to deal with your husband or your wife is to be very, very energetic, not to be lethargic. And second of all, another thing is that they love the game of chase. Okay, either they like chasing you or they like getting chased, whatever the circumstances are. But one thing is for sure, that they like pursuing things. They don't like easy things. Okay, they like things that are a little that will take a little time, okay, and where they have to work hard and they have to put their energies. Also, if you are if your Venus sign is in Aries or Jupiter sign is in Aries, so you could attract people who are very, say, sporty, who are coming first in something, whether they are at the head of the college, whether they are the sports representative of your college, or they are very very famous. Okay, one thing is for sure, that you will like people who comes first, and they're very competitive as well. So your partner could be the one who is very competitive and always competing with you, and not exactly very like shy type. So they could be very very outgoing, very very forward, and they will love competitions. So yeah, sometimes ego problems hatches are possible, so they could sometimes be competing with you, so that's an issue. And also they will love competition. So if you are very pretty, let's say a pretty boy or a pretty girl, and there are many competitions, they will not shy off, they will like the competition, they will like winning you off. So these are some of the things that you can expect from your wife or husband. If you want something more in details, let me know in the comment section. I'll do that for you guys. And also if you want it in Hindi, let me know. I'll try doing that as well. So the next sign is our Taurus. So Taurus. So if your Jupiter or your Venus sign is in Taurus, one thing is for sure, they will have some really good, massage therapies, or they could have a really nice voice, they could sing well, they are very foodie, they love food. One more thing with Taurus, they are very people who are calm, and they like luxurious things, they like going to expensive restaurants, they like wearing expensive clothes. Also, if your Venus sign is in Taurus, one thing you can expect, that your wife will be little in the fairer side, more pretty. And also these people really love luxury. So one thing is for sure, they will spend a lot of money on you, they will like getting attention, also in terms of monetary attention. So you could be the one spending some real good money on them, or this person could be spending a lot of money on you. But whatever it is, whatever they wear, whatever they eat, wherever they go, they want it expensive. They can't just adjust with inexpensive things. So this is one of the things that you will see with Taurus Jupiter or Taurus Venus. Another thing, they could be into finances, they could be into banking, and they could be into, let's say, CA or chartered accountancy, or something to do with managing money. Also they could be into their family business. They will be very very they will have a sense of family within them. They will love their family, they are very good family man, they will have some attachment to their family. And also they are the people who doesn't like doing things alone, they like doing things with people. But one negative side is that they could be little lazy. Yes my dear, they could be little lazy, but we all are lazy, so they could be a little lazy. And another thing is, yes, with Taurus I have seen often that they want people to speak to them very nicely. So they could actually ask for compliments from you, so you might have to compliment them a lot. So this could be a little annoying at times. And also they are very people who likes being dependent on others. They are very focused on their finances, they are very like money all the time. And they also like buying joint properties. Even they have an account, they will like it to be a joint account. Even they buy something, they will like it to be on both of your names. So this is another thing that I have seen in Taurus. Also they are very artistic people, they like love with art. So life is like an art piece to them. So art and life is just synonymous to one another for Taurus, Jupiter and Venus sign. Also you could be the person who likes people with such qualities, and you attract people who are more artistic, more monetarily well off. So these are the things that you could see. Also with Jupiter Taurus, Audrey Hepburn had it. So you could be like having a lot of money in future, especially after marrying. So this is another thing you can like expect. So okay, bye. Now moving on to Gemini. Let's say Gemini. If your Venus or your Jupiter sign is in Gemini, as I have told you, for male it is Jupiter. Sorry, it's for male it is Venus, and for female it is Jupiter. So if your Jupiter sign or your Venus sign is in Gemini. So you could expect your husband to be in media. They could be very socially popular people, or they like social media. They have a lot of fan followers in social media. They like posting pictures in social media. Also, it is very possible that you will meet your spouse through social media. Yes, this is very possible with this sign. Also with Gemini, Jupiter or Venus, they could be little talkative. Sorry for the sound, guys. Bear with that. Yeah, it's gone. So the Gemini sign is they're very talkative. One thing is very important for them in a relationship, or to be in a relationship, is communication. So if you are not a very extroverted person, so they will ask you to be more extroverted. They will love talking to you, and you will see that they are very much into journals. They could love being updated about the social affairs, what is happening in the world. Also, they generally have very good IQ, and also you could meet them through social media or your workplace, or during taking some short distance journeys, or during your high school. These are the possibilities with Gemini. Also, Gemini Jupiter or Gemini Venus are people who are very not grounded, very into air, and very fickle minded. So one thing you will see that they might have some problem in keeping the relationship solid. So because they need someone to ground them, because they are always flying. So Gemini is like a air sign. So how air is, it is all over the place. So these people could be a little all over the place at times. So being the partner, you just have to take care of him or her, and you have to make him or her a little grounded. So they could be a little all over the place, sometimes thinking water, sometimes thinking earth, sometimes they like black, sometimes they just like white. So it's like total opposite. So they could like very like opposite things. So you could find a little hard to understand them. Also, one thing is very possible that they will have two sides to them. Okay, so sometimes they will be like, yeah, so what, and sometimes they will be like, oh, I'm so sorry. So they could be like very you will almost feel like there is some sort of split personality going on, because they do tend to have, because Gemini people generally have two sides to the story. So they could have two personalities, or could be like they like dressing up in two different ways. Some new trend has come where a person wears some shirt that is of different color from left and then different color from right. So they could love color contrasts, different colors together. They could love check shirts, especially they could love playing chess some way. Yes, and then they're very also intellectual. They like gossips. So if you are a person who like gossips, so you will just come back home and gossip about something, and they will definitely entertain you with the gossips. Your husband or your wife will have all the different stories to tell about neighborhood, and they will keep you entertained. They will keep you entertained with all the stories. They could be into journalism, as I have said, or in any kind of media work, or they could just be people who are some way connected to their siblings. So also your husband might have some sibling, or your husband could have some siblings, or it could just be like they just have this attachment to little children and people, like their siblings, mostly younger siblings, but also maybe just children. They like children's, animals, pets. These are the very possibilities of your husband. So now moving on to the next sign. The next sign is, I forgot, the next sign is Cancer. So my dear people who have Venus or Jupiter in Cancer, one thing is for sure, that your husband or your wife will be super motherly. So they will love caring you, they will love cooking for you, they will make your bed. So they will be like second father or second mother. You will just have this nourishing, carely attitude from them. Okay, but they could be very moody. I tell you, Cancer people are the moodiest people. So you might feel like sometimes they also find it hard to keep their words. So this is another backside. But apart from that, they are very motherly people. So if you are a husband, if you are a male watching this, so your wife will be your mother, and if you are a female watching it, then even if you guys will have kids, they will just take care of it. You don't even have to worry. Okay, another thing with Cancer people is like they have a strong sense of home, but in the initial stage of your relationship, you will find it a little hard to get through their mind, because they could be sometimes a little, what do you call that, yeah, a little secretive. So they might not tell you about their emotions. So they could just hide their emotions, they could try to protect their emotions, because Cancer people feel like they're very vulnerable. Okay, they are very emotional people, they are very caring people. So sometimes they feel like they're taken for granted, and for protecting their energy, okay, for not being understood as weak, they try to hide their feelings. How Cancer, this sign, there's a shell, so sometimes they could just go into the shell. So they could be like people who sometimes just take time and need their space. If they need their space, I'll just ask you to give them some space, because they will just take some time in their own and have a little a chit chat with themselves. Self introspection is very important for your husband or wife. So they will need a little bit of space time to time when they will feel low. So if you like sharing your things with them, they will just listen to you, but maybe sometimes they won't share much about their emotions with you, because they just don't want to appear as vulnerable. But apart from that, they are very emotional people. They will love you to the core, because Venus in Cancer, yes, Venus in Cancer, your wife will be very emotional. You just can find her like a crybaby, or your husband like a crybaby, because they're prone to crying. That is true. Yeah. And they will have a strong sense of family. They will have maybe a good family, large family, or something about their family will be very, very significant to you or to people around them, or their family could be well known in the society, or they could have a very strong sense of family. So whenever they will date you or something, they will try to build a family with you, which will they, because it is your wife or husband. So you don't have to worry about taking care of your kids, or you taking care of your household family. If it is a husband, they will just do it for you. If it is a wife, they will just do it for you, because they are very, very family oriented people. They like also they will have some sort of fascination towards cars, so they could like buying cars, different cars. So this is also possible. So this was for Cancer. Moving on to the next sign. What is the next sign? Leo. So what is there for Leos? If you're a Leo watching this, Leo Venus or Leo Jupiter, so your husband or your wife will be very, very royal. They could be into government, they could have government posting, or their father could be into government. Also they will be very connected to their father, so they will have some sort of bond, a very good bond with their father, and they will be a little dominating, but they will be very, very loyal. I tell you guys, Leo Venus and Leo Jupiter, I'm telling you, they will be very, very loyal to you. They won't cheat you, one thing is for sure. Another thing is for sure that they will love royal things. They will love red, they will love velvetish things, they will love expensive things. They're very royal, so no matter if they wear expensive or not, wherever they go, they will have this royal appearance to them. They will love royal places. They could be they could even belong from some royal family, or they could have this fascination to visit museums, to visit places with historical values. This is also possible. Venus Leo is often people who are very choosy, so they could be little choosy with you at first, like whether should I choose or not, because you have to understand they're very honest and loyal people. They don't like changing their partners every time, right? So that's why they just need to confirm that yes, this is my partner. So that's why they just need their time to just choose. Also if you see them buying clothes, buying something, they will be super, 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 super choosy. So yeah, that could be a little annoying at times, yes. But if your Venus is in Leo, you will love people who are also, you yourself are very choosy. So you won't like just people who are not royal, just casual. You like something, something about their eyes. So if you're Venus Leo, your wife could have very lightish brownish, light brownish eyes. Or if you are a female watching this, if you have Jupiter sign in this, your husband could have like a light brownish hair or light brownish eyes, or something, how sunlight is very yellowish brownish. So this could be the theme. Also, you guys could meet at a very sunny day, or at a place where people are having fun, enjoyment, or like a shopping mall, a cinema hall, or some fun place. Okay, this could be any fun place, or this could be like an educational center, okay, or in a canteen of some college. Okay, this is also possible. So yeah, overall your person will be very fun person. They will love going out, they will love taking you out. But one thing with Leo people are, they could be a little dominating. Yes, they like to dominate. So sometimes they might you will just say, okay honey, let's go to this restaurant, and they will be like, yes honey, sure. But then all of a sudden he will be like, honey, I think we should go to this restaurant. And you will be like, no, I said it before and you just agreed to go to the restaurant called A, so why you're just changing your mind? I just think that this will be better for us, honey. And they will just take you to the hotel or the restaurant that they like. Yes, this is very possible with Venus Leo, that they will just do it according to themselves. And also they will be little demanding. Yes, very demanding in terms of materials. So your husband could love getting gifts, or you could be the one love giving him gifts or her gifts. Okay, so they could love getting gifts, giving gifts. So gift is another love language for Leo, Venus Leo, Jupiter people, for your husband, for your wife. So if you are watching this, get ready to get some gifts and to give some gifts. And also they like, they just don't give gifts. Okay, just like a normal casual candies or like a normal casual lipstick, they will pack it up. They will pack it up in a very aesthetic way. They will give you royal regal things. Okay, no matter if they're poor or they're rich, but they will give the best with whatever money they have. Okay, so this is very possible with Venus Leo, Jupiter Leo. So moving on to the next sign, Virgo. Oh my god, if your Virgo is in Jupiter or your Venus is in Jupiter, get ready for a very perfectionist person. Very perfectionist person. So your person could be very, very perfectionist. They don't like anything that is imperfect, or they always try to make things perfect. Also, they're very hygienic. Yes, they're very, very hygienic. And they will find it hard to say and express their emotions, to say sorry. You could meet your person at let's say maybe at some sort of bank or a finance department. Or your husband will love pets. By the way, your husband or your wife will love pets, small animals, no matter what kind of animals they are. They will love taking care of them. They could have organizations. Even you could meet them at a veterinarian's chamber, or you could meet them at some pet shop or a cafe with pets or you could meet them in a hospital. Or they could be the people who are doctors, healers, or they could be into finance or banking, or in corporate sectors, multinationals, any corporate sector actually. Okay, and they will love, their profession will be related to something that is related to emergency. Okay, so they could be serving people in emergency. They could be serving small animals in emergency. Or let's say if they're in banking, they are the people who give loans at the time. Okay, so they are people who actually, they are actually people who help others with emergency. Also, you will find them very, very smoothing and healing, and but they are a little introverted. So yes, the problem is they will have this introvert nature to them, which could be sometimes a little problematic. But if you have your Venus in Virgo, it is debilitated, so your wife will have an unusual beauty. I'm not saying they won't be beautiful. They could be very beautiful if it is especially in Chitra Nakshatra, but their beauty will have some sort of flaw. It's not a flawless beauty, just the way they want it. Okay, so because they're perfectionist. Okay, because they want the a one-to-one hisab of everything. They're very calculative, so they will love doing calculations. Like how much money they're spending on here or there. They're very calculative about their life. So yes, your Venus is debilitated over there, so they could be kind of a person who are beautiful with some flaws. So may they have like some crooked tooth, or like a scar in their face, or like some sort of, some scar or something related to flaw. Okay, so they are not exactly like flawless beauty, they are like a beauty with some sort of flaw. And if you have your Jupiter in Virgo, so very very sure that your husband will be very much focused in finances, and they will love calculating things. And Virgo could be a little say careful while spending money, so they might not like spending money a lot, or they might tell you to not spend money a lot. Also they will have OCD, guys. OCD means they will love cleaning home, they will love doing cleaning stuff, cleaning. So it's like they are the people who take 3 times a shower, 4 times brush. Okay, very hygienic. So if you are a female or male watching it, get ready for getting a very hygienic wife. And with Virgo Venus, another thing you will see that you could be drawn towards prostitution, or you could have visited some prostitute area at least once in your life. So just be careful of it. It's good if you want to, but just be careful. There's STDs and all that. With Venus in Virgo, your wife will have some unusual beauty, and in your relationship, in your sexual relationships, or in your normal relationships, there could be some problems. There could be some problems related to your sexuality or understanding. So overall, Venus is the karaka for your marriage, so there could be some problems related to your marriage, but not always. Okay, because we have to see other aspects of your chart. And if it is malefic, if there is any malefic graha over there, so it's very possible that there will be some problems, but don't be worried, everything is gonna be fine. Okay, so the next sign is yes, Libra. So Libra Venus and Libra Jupiter, one thing is for sure that your husband or your wife will love the concept of equality. They will believe in equal give and take. If you give them something, they will give you back. If you give them if they give you something, you will give them back. So they will love the concept of equality. If you don't give something back that they have done, or they always do it with this expectation that you will do it in return. So if they don't get things in return, they could get a little upset about it, because they want things, that they like this exchange. Also, you could meet your husband or your wife in a court environment, in a marketplace, in some local marketplace or a shopping mall, or in some, let's say, because it's Libra, so it's very possible where you will meet your person, there will be some symbolism related to scale, or some symbolism related to the weight machine. So this is very possible with Libra sign. Also, your wife or your husband will be very 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 artistic. Yes, again, that art component is there. They are very creative. They are very creative with whatever they do. And with the Libra, they will love maintaining themselves, so they will spend a lot on their cosmetics, on their clothing, on their maintaining. So yes, this is possible with this Venus. And with Venus Libra, they will have very proportionate body. So like, let's say, very proportionate head, very proportionate hands and legs. Or they could be into some legal departments or related to law, or they could be something where they have to maintain an equal balance. Also, these people always love this harmony and balance. They don't like a very chaotic relationship. So your husband or your wife could just avoid arguing, and they will just come to a middle point. They will be very good negotiators. So I don't think there will be much fights in your marriage, because they will just try to negotiate everything with you, because they don't like chaos in a sense, but sometimes they have to deal with chaos, and you also have to deal with chaos because they are into law enforcement. This is the possibility. But apart from that, if it is your Venus in Libra, your wife could be into fashion design, your wife could be into let's say film industries, or your wife could be into some fashion journalism, fashion cloth making. These are the possibilities. Also, they are very pretty. Okay, in a sense, not everyone can see that prettiness inside them, but they are the kind of pretty that you see, that you could understand, yes, this is my person. You will just see them and like, yeah, they do have something about them that is very intriguing. So yeah, this is a possibility if you are a Venus, a Libra, or Jupiter Libra. and I said that, if did I say it, but yes, they will like things to do in proportion. So if there is any disproportion of things, or something that is not according to the measures, they will have some problem. Okay, also they are, some people who exercise and then measure themselves again and again. So this could be the people who love measuring themselves. Okay, so also they could carry a compass, or in their house there could be some ancient compass kind of a thing. Okay, so these are the possibilities with Venus in Libra and Jupiter in Libra. So moving on to the next sign, that is Scorpio. So what is there for Scorpios? This was your video till Scorpio, and we will be doing, no, this was your video till Libra, and we will be doing Scorpio on the next day. So we will do from Scorpio to Pisces. So if your sign is in Scorpio to Pisces, you have to see my other video. So just wait for a day or two and I'll be back. And if you want some other astrological readings where you will meet, how we will meet, if you get a foreign spouse or not, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be back with my Scorpio to Pisces, Jupiter and Venus signs very soon. Bye.